UNH student Lizzie Marriott was murdered back in 2012. Her body never found. Seth Mazelia was convicted of killing her and sentenced to life. Today, his lawyer told the state Supreme Court that by excluding evidence of Marriott's sexual history, the defense was unable to paint a complete picture.
The fundamental factual dispute at this trial was between a version of the death that amounted to first-degree murder and a version that amounted to an accident.
Are you also arguing that the jury should have heard that she was predisposed to the activity from which her death resulted?
The defense argued without being able to submit the evidence, the jury would have found it difficult to believe Marriott would engage in such sexual activity. But the justices remarked that even if she had consented in the past, it didn't mean she consented this time, citing a possible theory by prosecutors.
That what they were really saying is, this is crazy. Even if you accepted that she, on the time in question, engaged in this, the idea that she would have died without the defendant knowing that, wait a minute, this went too far, that's what's crazy.
In arguing for the state, Assistant Attorney General Jeffrey Ward told the justices that the remarks in question happened about 2.5 years before Marriott's death.
What the defense does in their brief, at least with respect to some of those prior statements, is equates them to statements of consent.
And the state also argued that Mazelia's guilt was clearly established based on the evidence, such as 2 eyewitnesses who observed Marriott's body in Mazelia's apartment and saw things inconsistent with an accidental death. Lizzie Marriott's family was here but declined to speak after the hearing. Now, the justice's ruling could come at any time, but it usually takes about 3 to 6 months. Reporting live in Concord, Ray Brewer, WMUR News 9.